Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my new presentation. This is Md.Sultan Titumi Noyan. Before you, but please call me Noyan because that's my nickname. Hope you are bright and shining, and I'm also doing great. Today, I'm going to talk about consonant sounds and their corresponding equivalents. Can you guess? What is consonant sounds? Okay, hope you can guess. So let's begin. Pen, bin, ten, den, kite, gate, pen, ben, site, zit, sheep, zip, city, ziri, thai, dai, yet, wet, meet, net, sing, light, right, height. That's all. Hope you love my presentation. Please don't forget to share and comments. Next time I will come back with another interesting topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.